From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
Certainly not helping that situation today was all the additional rain that we got. Officially at the airport, we got almost another inch of rain. And remember, it wasn't just what happened this evening. We had the morning round that got factored in there, and there are more rounds of rainfall on the way. It's less like the actual total of rain tomorrow that I think has our attention, and more how that rain is going to get manufactured in the form of maybe some stronger thunderstorms, of which we're now saying goodbye to. All of the issues with active clusters of downpours and storms farther off to the east. Instability is dropping. We're getting deeper into the night. We should not have any problems moving forward, but you do still have some scattered leftovers. Most of these light to moderate into the Finger Lakes, more building off to our west. So again, you may hear the sound of some raindrops on the roof or on the windows, but you don't have anything to worry about with regard to severe weather. Speaking of severe weather, we did have some reports. They were exclusively across the southern tier. Why? Well, because their atmosphere was unstable. Ours was not, and that singularly was very protective for us. But we got an issue tomorrow. All of this action, which up until this point, these last few days, when we've had storms, it's either been early in the morning or later on in the evening or overnight. And that's not when our air is most unstable. Tomorrow is going to be the first opportunity where things are different. This is why tomorrow I think we watch with a bit more interest. By tomorrow morning, I think there's still a couple of leftover random rain showers, but at the bus stop heading to work, there's not going to be anything of consequence. I will note here, you're going to notice a big difference tomorrow in terms of how it feels. We will go back well into the 70s. That's not what I mean. We've got dew points that are way up there, like mid to upper 60s dew points. That is summertime tropical in this part of the world. It's going to be a sticky and humid air mass, which means anything that fires in this air mass with that warmth and with that humidity is going to have a chance to be much stronger than what we've had. With that in mind, this is our storm fuel, our instability. Numbers are up there. You know, this singularly does not dictate whether or not we're going to get severe storms, but it's a pretty big piece of the puzzle, and it's been a missing ingredient that, again, won't be missing through the afternoon tomorrow. The way we draw the overall severe weather outlook here, I think like 2 to 3 in the afternoon, our lake breeze boundary gets going off of Lake Erie. There's going to be a line where these things start to blossom into the afternoon, and then they'll continue to strengthen as they push eastward, which is why most of the issues will be Rochester in points east and southeast. Damaging wind gusts, some hail. Can't rule out a spin-up tornado or two, kind of like what we had this evening. Nothing crazy changed from that regard. Into Friday, it's just cooler. We'll get some partial sun into the afternoon. We've got highs struggling to get out of the 50s. Saturday starts dry, but it does not end that way, with additional thunderstorms on the way by the afternoon. And that cold front is going to be the sweeper here. That brings the colder air back. Monday morning, we're below freezing. Tuesday morning, we are way below freezing. 8-day forecast. We will climb back upwards from there. Have to acknowledge, too, later Sunday, there could be some wet snowflakes mixing in after almost 80 degrees on Saturday.
You've got